Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2009 Yamaha YZF-R6. This bike has just a little under 6,200 miles on it and is still in great condition. Has been tipped over on the left side, does have a little damage, but it's pretty light. So let's take a walk around it and I'll show you the highlights and then we'll fire it up. Front end here is in great shape. We will be putting a new front tire on this bike. It comes with flush mounted front blinkers. It also comes with a fender eliminator and an integrated tail. We will be putting a new back tire on this bike as well. When it went down here on the left side, the tail came out unscathed, no damage there. But we do have some scraping here on the engine cover and a couple of different little spots here on the middle fairing. And then we have a couple of little cracks here too that it left. I don't know if you can kind of see them here. So another little scrape spot there. And along with the flush mount front blinkers again. So it took a bump on the clutch lever here too, but we're going to replace that. All right, show you those miles now. 6177 is what's on it. This R6 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.